research on the home remediation part of the mold market. So today we will be focusing on two opportunities. The first one is the less than 10 square feet, and the second part is the more than 10 square feet. We will be focusing on the under 10 square feet using store-bought products by the customer themselves. And on over 10 square feet, we will be focusing on when people call professionals to fix the mold in their house. This is how our whole presentation will be divided.
It may divide it into a self-bought product and the company using product, because it naturally goes into the two ways when you're selling a fungicide on market. We believe there's an $18.8 billion sizing for the whole home remediation market, and within which $1.2082 billion are available for those products, mainly those products of fungicide. And we then divide into the company and individual, and the individual occupies a $1 billion market, and those one of company covered 11.7% of the cost or of the cost of the company, which is blah blah billion.
So, starting with the professionals, we talk to professionals and research online, figure out like what the professionals are doing and why they're needed. So they're using air scrubbers, vacuums, commercial strength dehumidifiers, dry ice blasting, and they're cutting out the mold infested areas. So those are the most common things professionals are doing when you call them, and we'll explain how Vitos can fit into that.
And then our group researched the price and how much money people spend on using a professional service. The range of price is between $500 to $10,000, which is really expensive.
Yeah, so this niche we're going to find for Vitos is going to satisfy our research, and that is that from speaking to an environmental health consultant that no two mold problems will ever be the same. When they're large, they each need different protocols and procedures, which leads us to...
So in conclusion, for the large mold remediation problems, we believe that for Lytos to succeed in this market, if they could make their product easily, that can prevent mold growth in homes, and also that if they could make their product usable on most surfaces like carpets, drywall, insulation, and baseboards, that would be very useful to the customer.
Just note on that, the baseboards and insulation and stuff, there's no product that exists for that now. That's when they destroy the product. So it'll be no.
Now, on the small size of the problem, when the area of cleaning is typically smaller than 10 square feet, people prefer to buy those products in grocery store or online. And we mainly look at 30 of them available online. And we concluded there are some qualities that if Lyto has, they can easily compete with the other products.
And we also researched the price market for the small mold problems is from the ranges from like $1 to like $31 per square foot. So if we just keep the price of Lytos in this range, I think we'll be in a good shape.
Yeah, so like the things the buyers want in the products, if they could all be combined into one, you remove mold, minimal human work, no weird smell, no stain, not too expensive, prevents reoccurring mold, effective, and fast.
And here's a spreadsheet of what we organized of the existing product, and we are very willing to share it with you after the presentation.
And finally, in conclusion, for the small mold problem, we believe that the customer wants for the product to be scrub-free.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.